Roast 1 cup of almonds and 1 cup of peanuts at 350 for about 17 to 18 minutes. When you taste the nuts right after they're out of the oven, they're not quite ready. But that's okay because nuts will continue to get roasted while they are cooling down for the next 10 minutes. Do you hear the crackling sounds? They're still getting roasted. Once they are cooled down, taste some. If they are not fully roasted at this point, then you need to put them back in the oven and roast a bit longer. Toast the oats in a pan on medium-high heat about 5 minutes. You can use raw oats. Put roasted nuts in a food processor and blend on the high setting. If you don't want to roast the nuts yourself, buy unsalted roasted nuts and make your own nut butter at home. As you can see, the nut butter looks coarse. If you want it to be creamy, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond oil. You can put peanut oil instead. I prefer almond oil because it's healthier than peanut oil. I highly recommend homemade nut butter. It's so much better than store-bought one. Trust me on this. Put 4 cups of oats, 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of salt. Put 4 tablespoons of 100% cocoa powder. In order to have health benefits from dark chocolates, the cocoa content should be at least 72% or higher. Since this recipe includes a good amount of honey, I am using 100% cocoa powder. You can substitute with finely chopped dark chocolates. You can also use mini chocolate chips for your kids instead. How healthy you like to eat is entirely up to you. Add nut butter. Add 2/3 cup of honey. Mix all together. Bring another bowl and scoop out the mixture with a small ice cream scoop. This will ensure similar sizes. It's pretty sticky, so wear kitchen gloves. Roll them up. Enjoy guilt-free, gluten-free, nutty and sweet energy balls. Bon appetit!